HuaWin folding boom truck mounted crane. Transmission gear in neutral. Step on the clutch. The key starts the engine. Loose clutch. Pressure gauge reaches 8. Hit the clutch. Press the power takeoff switch. Loose clutch. Our oil pump has started to work. Manual accelerator. Under normal circumstances, you can bring speed. Step 1. Lift 2 handles up. Extension of lateral outriggers. Press the 2 handles down. Falling outriggers. Raise your arm. Rotating arm. Elongation. This is the arm length, the ton weight of the corresponding crane. It's manual mode. Lifting it up is operated by the remote control. Remote control receiver. Panic button. Turn on the power. Remote control handle. When the arm falls, these 2 holes should be aligned. Plug in the pin. Income and expenditure legs. Put on the safety buckle.